In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can retrieve our phone, how we can search and find our phone. And we have a series of options here in Google Find Hub. So first of all, I'm going to show you here. If you lost the phone or you're not finding it, you have many options. And you can use the Find My Device service in just by searching with any search engine. And you will need a Google account. So for example, if you forgot your PIN also, you can do something here. So basically you can do a reset, which will bring your phone in the factory settings. So the initial settings of your phone. So everything will be deleted. So be careful. If you're choosing this option, you can see it can be done with your device. But if you don't have your device, you can do this remotely. But this will delete or wipe out all the data, and then you can basically start all over. So you're not like retrieving the pin here, you're actually deleting everything, including the pin, and restarting everything. So you will lose all your data that it's not saved like in other clouds or similar services. So be careful with that. Now, if you have a specific phone, sometimes you have an app to do this, which is part of that brand. But in this case, this is specific for Google and Android phone. So you can use the Find My Device service. You can copy this and paste it in any search engine here. So let's say Google. So we can be more specific. And there it is. Just click here, and you should arrive to this page right here. You can select a phone. You can see here I have two phones connected, and you can see them also right here. So once you're here, pick a phone. So let me get, for example, this one. And I'm going to blur the image, but this is a really precise localization. So it's going to go near where your phone is at the moment, or the last position if the phone now is offline. So you can see this is going to give me some information, and it's going to show me the area. So I can go really close. And if it's moving, it's going to show me like the movement of the phone. And let me get this other one. So again, it's going to show me the percentage also of the battery, of the energy. Now you can also go into the settings and change the name if you want from here. You can play a sound. So if you click here, this will play the tune on that you set up on your phone. So you will be able to find it if you are really near. You will be able to hear the sound. So sometimes we lose the phone inside our home or in our office, or in a specific place, and in that case we can play the sound, we can make a sound, we can find it. You can also mark it as lost. So if you don't find it and you are worried that someone else could find it, you can put a lock to this. Also here you have a remote lock. So if you didn't lock the phone, you can do it with this. And then if you lost the pin, if you find the phone, for example, but you lost the pin, you don't remember the pin or whatever else, or maybe you don't want other people to access to your data, you can do a factory reset device, which will bring your device back to the factory state. So essentially where in the first time that you bought it. So that's another security measure if you want to do this. So you have so many options here, and many cool tools that you can use in many different types of necessity or issue. And this will be all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated, and also join the channel if you want to support us, and check our other video guides on Android phone, smartphones, websites, and much more that you will find in the channel. Have a look. So thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.